What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your key battery remote in your 2015 Acura TLX. I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver to help me with that, so you're going to need one of those. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of it, and the way we do that is we're going to slide this button to the left, then we can pull the key right out. Now we're going to split this remote in half, so we just got to be careful we don't lose these buttons because they'll get all loose. I'm going to get the flathead screwdriver, and I'm just going to kind of just pry this guy open a little bit, okay? I don't want to open it all the way yet. I'm going to turn it upside down and hold it like this because I don't want the buttons to fall out, because we're going to work on it like this. And as you can see, you can just take this back cover and put it down, and you can see the battery now. Okay, it's going to be a CR2032. That's going to be the size, and I'm going to leave a link down in the description box for new batteries. It'll take you right to Amazon. So if you need a new battery, just go ahead and look at that. But just note that the positive sign will be on top of this guy. Just going to get my flathead screwdriver, pop this guy right out, and go and get a new battery, and then just take the new battery and stick it in the side here. You can see these little feet, I guess you want to call them. It goes in first, and then you can just push it down in there and get the remote back cover, stick it on, squish it, good to go. Stick the emergency key back in, and you're all done. Well, if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you guys would like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.